Okay, this is Baxter at Mayridge Farms doing his goat herding. He's a little bit full of himself this morning, but oh, there we go. I was on focus. There we go. Oh.
Good boy.
There you go, yep.
Good boy, Baxter. Nice. He's had, oh.
Come on, buddy, this way.
This is lesson number 4, right, Megan?
Good boy, yes.
Yeah, lesson number 4.
Good.
Bring him around, bud. Bring him around.
Wow, it is hard, isn't it? Ooh. They are the cutest goats. Look at this.
Come on, bud. Go that way. Go that way.
There we go. And this
Right
is
there, good boy.
Good boy, buddy.
John's new role in life is part-time shepherd.
Good work.
Nice. Good boy, Baxter.
Good boy.
Oops, little distraction.
These guys are hiding behind me. Go get him back there.
There we
That chicken
go.
is over.